welcome to be informed. If you wonder whether you can invest in US stock market and buy shares of world's largest companies like Facebook or Amazon, you are at right place. This video is for you. Stay tuned. There is no law forbidding non-US residents from investing in US stock market. It means anyone outside US can invest in US stock market, also from Middle East, Qatar. New York Stock Exchange, known as NYSE, and Nasdaq are two most popular markets for investors in Qatar. The NYSE is the world's largest stock exchange by market capitalization, where shares and bonds of the world's largest companies are traded. Let's talk about NYSE most popular stocks. Berkshire Hathaway. Warren Buffett owns this corporation. Alibaba. It is owned by Jack Ma. It's a Chinese e-commerce giant. Visa. Largest provider of credit cards in the world. Johnson & Johnson, an industrial titan that manufactures mass consumption goods. JP Morgan Chase. It's a diversified financial group. ExxonMobil, world's largest oil and gas producer. Then comes Walmart. It's a #1 supermarket chain worldwide. Procter & Gamble, another mass consumption industrial giant. MasterCard. It's another provider of credit cards worldwide. Walt Disney, the well-known entertainment and content company, and is also listed on the NYSE. So these are some of the big giant companies in the world, and you can buy share of these companies from Qatar. Now let's take a look at Nasdaq's most popular stocks. Nasdaq's most popular stocks are tech giants. Number 1, Apple. It requires no additional introduction, everyone knows about it. The company that created the iPhone, which transformed the mobile industry. Facebook. Another one that doesn't need an introduction, the largest social network worldwide, Amazon, the most popular e-commerce platform in the United States and the worldwide. Then comes Netflix. Everyone knows about it, application of series and movies with the largest number of subscribers worldwide. Google, which is known as Alphabet on Nasdaq. Tesla, Elon Musk's vision. So these were some of the most popular stocks on Nasdaq. Now let's talk about how to open a trading account to invest in NYSE. It's a very simple process, just require a couple of steps and then you are ready to trade. So the #1 step is choose the broker that best fits your investment goals. Upload your Qatar ID card or passport or a proof of address. It will include either electricity bill, water bill or rental bill through the broker's app or via email. Now, #3 step is make sure to choose the right base currency of the account. You have to decide at the time of opening the account that which currency you will use for trading. Trading accounts may be based in US dollar, euro, pound sterling, Swiss franc, Australian dollar as the base currency. Practically all of them offer the option in US dollar or euros. Once the account has been approved by the broker, it's time to deposit cash. The depositing and withdrawing money methods are usually credit cards, bank transfers, or e-wallets like PayPal, PaySafe, Skrill, SafetyPay. The available options to deposit funds will depend on each broker. Here I would like to mention one very important point, that all brokers allow you to use a simulator on their platform. So it becomes very convenient for the newcomers and new investors. They allow testing their demo account, which is totally free. You can open a demo account, try the platform, and then decide whether to deposit money or not. Most of the time, newcomers or new investors are hesitant just because of the interface of the stock exchange apps. The online brokers have optimized their apps in such a way that they allow investing in the New York Stock Exchange very straightforward, and they grant easy and fast access to the US financial markets. In fact, most platforms resemble a social network or any other phone app. They are designed in such a way that investor can learn and start trading very quickly without the need of much prior knowledge. So to buy shares of Apple, all you have to do is open a trading account, deposit money, search for Apple on the broker's trading platform and press the buy button. And it's done. It is this simple. You are officially investing in American related financial assets. So this is a very simple process. Start with simple, start it low, invest little money, then see results. And if you are confident, you can go with big money or you can go with multiple stocks. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others also who are interested in buying stocks and investment. Also subscribe this channel. See you in some other video. Take care.